Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about this super cute play kitchen that my son is obsessed with. This gave me an hour of free time while my son played with it. So, I mean, that's pretty good. So this is super cool. It is, comes in a few different parts, doesn't require any assembly really. This part here is battery powered. And it's the sink part, the sound there of it turning on. So when the basin is filled with water, it pulls the water out, squirts it out, and then it just recycles the water. So you're not really wasting any water there. It's not like you have to keep refilling it, which is nice. It comes with all these cute little plates, a little dish strainer, a dish brush, some detergent, and some cups and silverware as well. So I think this is such a cute toy, such a cute idea. We were able to put like a mat on the floor so it didn't get too messy, which is great. You're always taking a risk with water and toddlers, but my son just absolutely loved it. So I definitely recommend it for one of your kiddos, and that is my point of view.